Everyone, I'm Michelle Carter, Director of Educational Content and Programs for Shape America. If you want some good advice about health and physical education, you're going to love Toy Talk Tuesdays, especially our theme for this year. I'm talking about our Teachers of the Year. Shape America Teachers of the Year, they represent the best health education, physical education, adapted physical education, and dance education teachers across the United States. And now you can learn from them on Toy Talk Tuesdays. And for this school year, we're giving you Toys Top Tips. Our toys are sharing their best tips on different topics to help you. So make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. And if there's a topic or resource you'd like to see in the future, just leave a comment. And if you want to become a Teacher of the Year, check out the link below. Thanks for watching.
Hello, my name is Matthew Bassett, and I wanted to spend some time today talking to you about GIFs. My first trial into GIFs was to create a bunch of basketball dribbling activities for my students, and then I added them into a Google slide and printed them on these tiny little basketball cards. My students used them independently using one iPad during class. I started to use GIFs a little bit more often with assessments that would help with ELL strategies and those with visual learning styles. One of the questions I might ask for lacrosse is, what is the correct step for throwing a lacrosse ball? And they would answer in a Google form, A, B, or C. During remote learning, I realized that giving demonstrations on the screen was a little more challenging, so I started to utilize GIFs a lot more often. And then I would create my success criteria with my students. Then I started to break down the skills into smaller parts so that the students could see each individual part that I was looking for. To create your own GIFs, it's pretty easy. Go to easygif.com, and the first thing you'll do is click the Video to GIF button. Now there's two buttons there that you can see based upon the two arrows. Then the next part is that you're going to upload your video. So you'll hit the Browse button, look for the video that you've already created. You can post a URL into there at the bottom, but that takes a while. Remember, those videos on YouTube are very, very long, and if you're trying to make a GIF, it could take forever. When you're ready, hit the blue button and wait for it to load. When you're ready to go, sometimes there is a problem with your phone videos that are converting. So if it tells you that it is not acceptable, hit that little convert tab at the bottom and then click on MP4 and it'll convert it for you. So you don't have to worry about the wrong format. When you get ready to play the video, then you're going to use the two blue buttons to change the start and stop positions. And you can type in the numbers, you can use the arrows to go up or down. Sometimes I just play it and then I hit the blue button that says use current position when I want it to go. Once you've set both the start and stop, then you can go ahead and look at some of the settings. I usually don't touch the settings too much. Occasionally you may need to, but most of the time it works well for me. Then you'll see the GIF starting to play. And because I took a screenshot, you don't really see the GIF, the playing of the motion. So you hit the save button when you're done. And you see that there's a lot of different things that are on here. You can crop, resize, rotate. You can put text on there. You can slow it down. Some of these things I like to use actually in post-production using my Google Slides as opposed to using them here. Another thing I'd love to share with you is the Chromebook HPE website, and they have an awesome GIF collection. This website was created by Mark and Becky Fulmer, and they have hundreds, if not thousands of GIFs at your disposal using the link here. I hope this is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you very much. Happy creating.